Okay, so what we're going to do is take our regular striped purebred parent zebra, okay, and one of our recessive purebred albino zebras. Okay, and let's see what we get. Okay, so take a second to try it on your own first. No. There might be a pencil in the coffee cup. I think I found one on the floor the other day. Okay, so when we write our hybrids, do we put the capital letter first always?
Yes. Maybe.
Yes, we do. Okay, so allele from one parent, allele from the other parent, allele from one parent, allele from the other parent. Okay, these go together. Okay, so let's talk percentages here. Okay, for our offspring, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, where the genotype is the same. Okay, so that's going to be 4 out of 4, which is how many percent? 100%. Okay, so because they have the dominant gene in there, are they going to be regular striped zebras or albino ones?
Regular.
Regular. Okay, so the phenotype okay, and the genotype for all of them is the same. Genotype. Okay. So are all the genotypes homozygous recessive, homozygous dominant, or hybrid?
Hybrid.
Hybrid. Okay, which we can also call heterozygous. Okay, so there's a few other examples we can give. Okay, so this was purebred recessive with the purebred dominant. Parent. Okay, and let's take just totally hybrid babies. Okay, let's breed hybrid babies together. Okay, so what was the offspring now is the parent. And this is where we start getting something different. Okay, we have our dominant gene given both by the parents. In this one, we have a dominant and a recessive. And in this one, another dominant and recessive. And this one, 2 recessive. Okay, so let me ask you some questions that you'll see typically. Okay, how many of them will be purebred dominant? Yes. Okay, only one is purebred dominant. Okay, so that's 1 out of 4, 25%. How many are going to be purebred recessive?
2.
Purebred recessive, so only the recessive genes.
One.
Okay, purebred recessive. Okay. How many are going to be hybrids?
2.
2. Okay, these 2 are going to be my hybrids. Okay, that's 2 out of 4. Okay, we get, how many percent is that?
50.
50. Okay, so now this would all be your genotypes. Okay, and sometimes you'll get asked though what the phenotypes are. How many of these zebras are going to be albino zebras out of 4? How many are going to have only the purebred recessive genes? Only these guys. Okay, these are going to be your albino ones. Because all the other ones are going to show the dominant gene. So 3 out of 4 are going to have your dominant gene. And only 1 out of 4 chances of getting your albino baby.